Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Rajiv Chopra here at this end of the microphone and the camera. I'm going to continue with my series on heat, and in this episode, I want to address the question of a heat island. Now, let's talk about Delhi and Gurgaon, for instance, which is where I live, and in this slide, you see that Delhi is sometimes about 7 degrees, maybe 4 degrees, maybe 3 degrees hotter than the surrounding rural countrysides. And Gurgaon's temperature has increased dramatically, and I've experienced it because I was here 30 years ago, and Gurgaon's tree cover has reduced. Also, within cities, you have areas that are much hotter than the others. So, a heat island principally is an area, an urban surrounding which is hotter than the surrounding rural areas, and within a city, a micro heat island is an area that is hotter than other parts of the city. So, you have Delhi, which is a heat island, and within Delhi, you have micro heat islands. And why do you have these heat islands and micro heat islands? Well, when a city replaces soil, trees, grass with concrete, traffic, asphalt, steel, what happens are two things. The first of all is that they absorb sunlight, roads absorb sunlight. Also, the concrete tends to reduce circulation of air. So these areas now absorb the sun and the heat the entire day, and then they release the heat at night. So it never really cools, and that's what you feel in Delhi now. Have a look at this satellite thermal camera photograph from, well, space, and the city lights up orange and red against the cooler land around it. And that's what we are doing actually. In Delhi, connected areas like Connaught Place, Bikaji Kama tend to have the highest temperatures. Green zones like Sanjeevan, the IIT campus, Buddha Jayanti Park are cooler. Gurgaon, where I live, used to be cooler than Delhi, but Gurgaon is now much hotter than Delhi. So, when you are in this situation, you are in trouble. What do you do when you mess your city? And we continue next time. See you.